Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Happy Eclipse Day, although by the time you see this, the eclipse will probably have been a few days ago. Today I'm doing another spring trend for you. This one is soft glam makeup. So what is soft glam? Well, it's sort of the opposite of glam makeup. Glam makeup is very bold, very harsh lines, strong contour, strong lips, eyes, the works. Soft glam is the opposite of that. It's about soft, blurred, diffused lines, minimal makeup to an extent. It's sort of like a natural glam, which doesn't make sense because glam is not natural. So instead of strong, liquid black eyeliner, I used a crayon brown eyeliner and smudged it a lot. A lot of blending. Instead of using false lashes, I used a very nice volumizing fanning mascara to get a nice full lash effect. I went very soft in the contour, a bit of highlight, and then a lot of blush. Very soft pink blush, very big for spring. And another part of this sort of soft glam, ethereal makeup trend for spring is playing up your facial features. So if you have freckles, you can play those up. If you don't have freckles, you can make some like I did. They sell all kinds of different, I guess, freckle liner creator things. I just used a brown pencil liner. Also, playing up moles, I don't really have one here. They have some pretty cool stamp liquid liners that you can do in different shapes, stars, hearts. I think ColourPop has a few, and other brands as well. Again, I just used my brown bronze eyeliner and gave myself a little mole. So that's just a quick overview of what soft glam makeup is. You can check out my blog for a more detailed discussion. Now, instead of just talking about what soft glam makeup is, I'm going to show you in my tutorial right now. Here is my Spring 2024 soft glam makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Start things off with a soft brown shadow. And just start by running that through the crease of your eye. Back and forth like a windshield wiper motion. Just get it nice and saturated. We're going to blend it out soon, so you don't got to worry about being too perfect. You don't got to worry about any harsh lines at this point, because we're going to take care of them in a little bit. So just really work that color through the crease. Then take a blending brush and soften those lines. We don't want any harsh or hard lines. It's a soft glam look, so everything needs to be subtle and soft and diffused, sort of blending into all the other shadows we're going to use. Then with a darker brown shade, a shimmer shade, put that all over the eyelid. Get it nice and saturated. Again, don't worry about any harsh lines because we'll take care of them in a bit. Just get that color on there. Browns are great for a soft glam look because they're more neutral. So just keep placing that color all over the lid. Use a matte beige shade and highlight the brow bone just a bit. We just want a subtle highlight. We don't want the eyes to be too over the top, but we need a little bit of highlight and color. Then we're going to blend all the seams of the shadows. So between the brow bone and the crease color, make sure that there's no harsh lines there. Really get sort of a seamless, flowing into one another effect of the shadow. And then with another blending brush, I'm blending the lid shade into the crease shade. Also just making sure that there's no hard lines. Make sure it's really seamless. So it takes a little bit, but you'll be pretty happy with the result. Then take a soft sort of chocolate brown pencil liner and run that over your top lash line. Just really softly, smudging it a little bit as you go. Just a tiny bit of a wing, nothing crazy because we don't want the eyes to be over the top. This is a nice brown eyeliner from Huda Beauty. I really like it, it's long lasting. Then with a little eyeshadow brush, soften that line, drag it out a little bit, just so it's not quite so hard, not quite so defined. And then with the blending brush, go over the line again, get it really soft and diffused, almost smoky. With like a cream colored liner, pencil liner, trace that through your lower waterline. We don't want to use anything heavy or black because, as we know, this is a soft glam look, not a full-on glam look, so a flesh colored pencil works wonders. Then use a fanning mascara or your favorite volumizing mascara and just put several coats on your top lashes and your bottom lashes and sort of wiggle it through the lashes so you catch all of them and get a really nice wide open look. We're not using false lashes, so we need a good mascara. And put just a little bit of that on your lower lashes as well. We don't want any spider lashes. Then with a concealer of your choice, you can clean up anything that has fallen down onto your face, under the eyes. And as always, just make sure it's blended really well. We don't want any lines of concealer messing with our foundation, so just keep blending that in. Use a brush, use your fingertips until you get a seamless finish. Then take a light brown highlighter and just gently run that under your cheekbones. You might get more than you want, but you can easily blend that out with a brush or your fingertips, like I do. We just want the subtle definition of the contour. We don't want any sharp lines. It's all about blending for this look. Then with a rose gold highlighter, use it to hit the high points of your cheeks. It can be a little more full on with the highlighter because part of the soft glam for spring is really pretty highlights. So just keep putting that on cheeks and temples, your forehead, down the bridge of your nose, all the high points. Then with a pretty pink blush, I use this one a lot, really add a generous amount to the apples of your cheeks. Again, for spring 2024 soft glam, rosy pink cheeks are huge, so you really want to play that up. Just make sure it's all blended in nicely so you don't have like a big blob of pink color on your cheeks. Work it into the other face products. Natural features are a big part of this spring look, so I created some freckles on my nose just using a brown eyeliner pencil and softening that with my fingertips. So it's pretty easy. You can buy a specific freckle liner pencil, but I think it's just as easy to do it with a bronze or brown eyeliner. Do the same thing. You can create a mole because those are pretty big in the soft glam for 2024. You could also buy a stamping liner to give yourself a star-shaped mole, a heart-shaped mole. There's some really fun ones out there. I just went with a more natural one. Pretty easy to create. You just press and blend. Pretty simple. I wanted to add a little extra around my cheeks, some more freckles, so I just went back in with the pencil, a few little dots, and patted to make them more natural and not quite so eyeliner-like. It's actually pretty fun. Then using nude lipstick, and just place that all over your lips. Leave the bright red for the glam looks. And I just blended it with my fingertip just to get it even more natural. There we have our finished 2024 Soft Glam makeup look. It's actually fairly easy to create. It's pretty fun. It's more subtle than a full-on glam look. Easier for every day. But still gives you a very pretty effect, especially with the blush and the nice mascara. So you're all set for spring with this Soft Glam makeup look. And there we have my finished Spring 2024 Soft Glam makeup tutorial. I'm not usually a fan of the less intense makeups. I really love my red lipstick, but I could actually get behind this Soft Glam makeup. I don't mind it so much. You can check out my blog for more details on products and just what Soft Glam makeup is in general, the difference between Soft Glam and regular glam, whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the part where I shamelessly promote myself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want more makeup fun in between my blog and video posts, check out my social media pages. I hope you enjoyed, depending on when I get this posted. Eclipse Day. Be careful looking at it, I guess. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.